Hi guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how you can use our new feature notice of race and selling instructions as a PDF. You can do this in an ongoing or already created championship. You just need to add it to championship, or you can add to a newly created championship. So let's go into it. Create a new championship. I'll give a name. In this case, ProRegatta PDF test. I'll give a random start and end date because do not matter right now. I'll choose a random image that I have in here. This one will sit well. And now what I want to show you is the notice of race as a PDF. So what does this do? This is an embed system of Adobe. You just need to select your PDF. It only accepts PDF. Otherwise, the system will tell you that you need to upload a PDF. And I'll select one. And I can also write in here any additional things, but if you do not want to, you don't need to. And the same thing for selling instructions. As an example, I will leave this box with selling instructions and a PDF and the notice of race without one. So select another file and open. This can handle any PDF that you would like. Obviously, if it's a large PDF, will take more time for the embed system to handle it. And you just need to go down and save your championship. And that's it. Our championship is starting. Is in real enroll status, obviously, because I just created. And now let's visit our championship event page. So here we are, and as you can see, this is the event page, and in the instructions, the notice of race, I uploaded a notice of race from Cool Valley Atlantic that I was using to test this feature. So everything is in it. It is a normal PDF, and you can obviously use the PDF functions right here embedded in the page. And in the instructions, there is also another PDF. In this case, is the instructions of Regatta, also from the Club de Vel Atlantic. I just wanted to be sure that everything was good and ready for their use. And obviously, the selling instructions that I wrote, just so you to understand where will be showing up this writing. It's the same thing for notice of race. You can edit at any time if you have any other questions or doubts, or if you want to add additional documents, you can always check on any sailing class and upload the documents into this corresponding sailing class. And that's basically it. If you have any questions or doubt, please contact us at ProRegatta.